I am so in love with this playpen. It is spacious and I love that it comes with a side pocket that has the zipper on the outside that I can zip down for my son to crawl in and out of. And if you stay tuned, I will show the entire installation because it was really simple. There's no extra tools needed and I was able to do it on my own very quickly. It is very spacious. It does not come with a mat that needs to be purchased separately. So I did put some mats underneath the playpen, and the installation very quick, very easy. It comes with suctions on the bottom so that it does not move, and those T-square joints are what keep the actual structure from collapsing. It can hold weights. Even an adult myself have climbing over in and out of it. It's held my weight, so you'll just go through. There's pockets on the bottom that you'll put the pipes through, and then you'll put pipes through vertically, and you'll do this going around the entire perimeter. And once you put that through vertically, then you'll put the pipes with the foam cushioning around it through the top. And for the top, you can choose to put the connectors in first, or you can put the connectors, all of the connectors in first. You can choose to put just the T's, or you can choose just to put the corners. Whichever you decide to do, just know that the last connecting piece will be difficult. It takes just a little bit of strength, but that's because it's to ensure that the structure is secure. You want to make sure that it won't tip over. So just keep that in mind, that you're going to have to exert just a little bit more force to connect that last piece. But once it's complete, you'll go through and you'll put the Velcro around each of the connectors, and it's done. It's ready for your little one to play in. I climb in there and sit in there with my son. It is so spacious and it doesn't feel like he's boxed in anymore. And he's content, which makes me content.